All the lies, all the pain taught me my real power. Some love breaks you, some love make you unstoppable. I saw it all, the looks, the lies, the games you played, the betrayals hidden in plain sight, every whispered secret, every silent choice. I asked myself, how do I survive this storm in my mind, feeling your actions cut deep, alone, abandoned, no one to lean on. Then the truth hit. You chose her. The pain burned, a phantom scar, invisible yet unyielding. I forgave the world, but your love, your choices, they whispered in the dark, shattering pieces of me I didn't know existed. Night after night, I questioned my worth, but when you walked away, the answer became clear. I am my own prize, my love, my power, my worth, untouchable. No one can steal that. No one can diminish me. Not you, not her, not anyone. I gave my all and learned. My heart is mine. My life is mine. My love unstoppable.